days ago, the rain had destroyed almost all our ponds. You find that we are doing azolla in shallow ponds. Due to the amount of the rain, we couldn't find that most of our ponds they were overflowing. Is a big problem. You know that azolla requires nutrients for it to grow, to its optimal growth. So when you have water coming in your pond, you find that it carries most of the nutrients. Here, the ponds we have having here, the ponds we have having here in our farm had experienced that challenge. Almost all the nutrients had been washed away by the heavy floods we are here. It even destroyed most of our ponds, but we are designing new ones today. So the problem with the peppers, the the quality of the pepper you are using when preparing of your pond is a very essential fact. Here we had ponds which we had done using the construction peppers. Those peppers don't have that, they are not durable. Most of them can at most go at 8 months. So here we had done these ponds 8 months ago, that is last year. Now it's time we are changing them. We want to change them for here. We use even the small ponds to educate small farmers who visit our farm on how you can do it small scale. Many of the people who visit our farm always like to know about the cost of setting such a pond like this one. So using this construction paper is cheap, but cheap is always expensive. So today we'll be just repeating using the polythene papers. Next time we'll be doing with something different. Maybe we'll have advanced. We will start by clearing the weeds. The rainfall facilitated for the growth of weeds. Yeah, I'll start by removing this. For a pond like this one, this is a 4 by 6 pond, 4 by 6 feet. So from this pond you can have the harvesting potential of 1 kg. You can be harvesting a 1 kg daily from this small pond. What you will be adding now is the manure you will be adding only at the 14th day. You add a kg. This pond likes life. For this pond, every 14 days you will have to add 1 kg of the cow dung slurry. You need to also install overflows in your pond. In case of heavy rainfall, the level of water will increase, and that may end up flooding your azolla pond and carrying all your azolla. So what you do, here we have installed a simple DIY. Here we have used hard cardboard and a net. This net will filter the water, so azolla will remain in the pond. This is how we install them. Just choose a spot and make sure it's below the level of the other areas in your pond. So this is how we do it. Make sure you install it this way. You can also use bricks so that it's not carried by the water. That's how we do it. So in case of the overflow of the water, the pond will not overflow. That's how we prepare our ponds. We'll be showing how they are doing the other ponds, but we had to choose this one for demonstration. Thank you guys. Stay tuned.